What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I want to do something that I don't think I've done already, and I think it's quite important because I know that a lot of my viewers are not experienced when it comes to investing in crypto. So in today's video I want to basically start from the basics, and I know a lot of people still don't know how to invest in crypto, how to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So this is what I want to explain in today's video, because a lot of my videos may seem a bit confusing to some people, which I can understand, and I want to kind of give you the basic fundamentals, kind of how to invest in crypto and how to start earning money in crypto. So let's dive into today's video, but before we do that, please do me one big favor: give this video a big like, and of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I want to reach 10,000 subscribers this year. So please help me by smashing that goal. So I appreciate that. Now let's dive right into this video. Let's dive into the first thing, and this is the number one thing that you have to understand. This is not a quick money making scheme or get rich quick thing, because I know some people think that Bitcoin makes people millionaires overnight and things like that. Guys, no, this is not the case. And I can promise you that, guys. It takes time, it takes a lot of work, effort, just like everything else. There's nothing there that comes quick and you make money like millions overnight. That doesn't happen, guys. I wish it does, but that's not the case. So this is something you have to understand before you even think about investing, because I think some people just have the misconception, because they know from history Bitcoin was once $1 and today it's like 30 something thousand dollars. People think, wow, you can make millions like that. No, this is not the case, guys. Please understand that before you even consider investing, because it doesn't work like that. So that out of the way, important. How do you start investing? What are the first steps to do? Because a lot of people don't even know where to buy Bitcoin and how to start buying Bitcoin, how to get into it. So there are very, very simple methods. Now, a lot of my previous videos or videos I do with charts, it's not essential for everybody, you know. These charts and videos I do are more for the short-term predictions, and that's also more or less for people like myself that trade a little bit as well. So first of all, trading and investing are two different things. Let me explain the differences, because I think people don't understand the differences. Now, you have investing. An investor is someone that invests as a long-term investment. So let's say, we'll give an example with the stock market, because I think a lot of people will understand that in an easier way. Let's say you're buying now shares, right? And you're buying 10 shares of Amazon. Now, initially, most people, when they buy shares, they buy it and intend to hold it for a longer term. So you don't make quick money with shares overnight. Of course, it can happen. But in general, when you want to be successful or when you want to do a good investment, you buy something, hold it for long term. Could be years, it could be 1 year, it could be 10 years. Everyone has a different strategy. So again, this is the same thing with crypto. So people have to understand that you don't buy Bitcoin and then sell it the next day. That's not investing. So the most simple and effective way for the general person is to invest, not trade, because trade comes with high risk. Now, if you're not experienced and you start trading with Bitcoin or crypto, especially with crypto, the market is very volatile. So that means the market can change thousands in a single day. Usually that wouldn't happen to the stock market unless there's a big crash, but in Bitcoin or crypto, this is something very common. It happens all the time. So this is why I'm telling you, trading is very risky for an average person. And most people who trade their crypto and they're not experienced end up losing all their money. So guys, this is why I'm telling you all the time, stay to the simple method. If you're not experienced, just buy and hold it long term, or until when you decide you want to sell. But this is my point, guys. Don't trade if you're not experienced, because you will lose your money. And don't think because you made money once on a trade, you will make it all the time. If you don't know what you're doing, this is my honest opinion, guys. I would never recommend anybody trading unless they're experienced. And to be experienced takes a long time. It takes a lot of learning and understanding the market. So it's not a quick thing, guys. This is something I have to make clear. All right, so then let's talk about investing. So how do you invest? Because let's say, you know, the average person that wants to invest some money into crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, how do you go ahead and do that? So there are a number of ways how to do it, but I will give you the basic, easiest ways how to do it. So anybody can do this. You don't have to be experienced. You don't have to be an expert. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is you need to go into an exchange. Now, an exchange is a platform where they sell and buy Bitcoin, or in other words, where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, right? So you want to buy Bitcoin. Now, how do you do that? All you got to do is go into an exchange, obviously sign up for an account. Now, I will recommend one exchange for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's called Swissberg. Now, the reason why I like Swissberg so much is because they have really great fees compared to many other exchanges when it comes to buying and selling. So I will leave their link in my description, and if you sign up through my referral link, you will also get a free gift as a new customer. I will also leave a link to Coinbase, which is the biggest exchange for buying and selling Bitcoin. And also right there, you do get a free referral, like $10 or something if you go through my link. So check that out if that's interesting. So then let's say you go into one of these exchanges, Swissberg or Coinbase. It's very, very easy how to use them. So it'll be very simple. As you log in, sign up for an account. It's very simple. Every person will know how to use it. All you can do is just buy and sell Bitcoin or other crypto. But again, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin, because many other cryptocurrencies, people think that it will be the next Bitcoin, it will be the next big thing. But guys, I'm being realistic. Most of these coins will, suck your money out, unless you're experienced and you know what you're doing. But I personally would recommend anybody to stick with Bitcoin, especially if they are a beginner. Now, let's say you want to invest $100 or £100, whatever the amount is. There's no amount you have to invest. People think you have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You don't have to do that, guys. You can invest $100 one-off. You can invest $100 a month. You can choose whatever you want. Guys, just a disclaimer, I'm not telling you here what to do or how to invest your money. This is always something you should do with your own research and understand before you do everything, because after all, investing is a risk. There's no guarantee in anything, guys. This is something you have to understand. Investing in anything, whether it's shares or crypto or any project you do, it has a risk. So nothing is guaranteed. Let's say you want to buy $100 of Bitcoin. All you got to do is log into one of these exchanges, purchase $100 of Bitcoin, and simple as that. Now, of course, if the price goes up, your Bitcoin is worth more, let's say, so your currency will go up too. And the same with the opposite. If Bitcoin goes down, your currency will be valued less. So then what's the simple method and how do you make money? Now, realistically, you have to look at the long-term picture of Bitcoin. If you look at the long-term picture of Bitcoin, anybody who bought Bitcoin in history, well, not in history, but until the recent, let's say, until recent 2 weeks, made profit. Now, the people who tend to make nice profit as an investment are the people that hold it long-term. And most people that end up losing are the ones that sell on a loss or panic sell. A common mistake. People are worried and they kind of sell at a loss just to get out of it. So this is something you have to understand. You need a strategy in place, and you need to understand before you invest, is it a long-term investment? Can you afford to lose that money? So let's say if you have all your savings, you do not want to put all your savings in Bitcoin or any other investment, nothing to do with crypto, even in a property or anything else. You don't want to put everything in one. We all know the old saying, never put all your eggs in one basket, right? So this is something you have to understand, and it's just simple as that. You want to invest long term, have your strategy in place, buy and hold it long term. Don't get caught up with the day-to-day price or the hourly prices, because again, you're not a trader, you're a long-term investor, and this is something you have to understand. Don't get emotionally connected with the prices, because then it can end up making you do bad decisions. Let's say if the price drops $1,000 within a day, emotionally you can just decide to sell because you feel like you're losing money. So it's important that you don't get emotionally attached with the prices and understand the risk as well. So it's very simple as that, guys. Just keep it simple. Don't get too complicated. Don't try and time the market, because nobody can time the market. I know there are people out there that buy Bitcoin, it goes up, they sell it, and then they say when it goes back down, that's when I'll buy back again. And they do that, every couple of days. Now, it may work a few times, but eventually that's not going to work, and they're going to end up buying back at the top. So all the profits they made will probably be gone, because they'll end up buying back at a higher price. So the long-term, simple way is you want to buy something, keep it and hold it long-term. Very easy. It's not complicated. You don't need to be into charts. You don't need to be into technical analysis. You just want to buy as a long-term investment. And simple as that. Don't think about it every minute, every day. And that's the basic way how to invest in crypto. So guys, I hope this video helps you. And again, if you want to get some free Bitcoin, check out the links in my description, because if you sign up through my referral link, not only are you going to help my channel, you're also going to get some free Bitcoin for yourself. And best of luck, guys. Hopefully it works out well for you if you do decide to invest. Again, this is not me here telling you what you should do. You always have to do your own things because after all, you're investing your own money. It's your risk. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.